In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WhatsApp Business to n8n. Let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible for you. First, you need to navigate to your workflow automation platform, which is n8n. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll be setting up your automated workflows. Once you're on the platform, you'll want to click on the plus button. This will allow you to add a new node to your workflow, which is a vital step in connecting your WhatsApp business account. Now, in the search bar, type in WhatsApp Business. This search will pull up the relevant options you'll need to proceed. When the option appears, click on Message. This selection is crucial, as it enables you to set up messaging capabilities in your automated workflow. Next, you'll click on Credentials. Credentials are the keys that allow different applications to communicate securely. Here, you'll set up a new connection between WhatsApp Business and n8n. Click on New Credentials, which lets you create a secure link between your accounts. At this point, you'll be asked to provide a client ID. This is an identifier that helps differentiate between your application and others in the system. To find this client ID, you'll now need to go to Facebook Business. This is because WhatsApp Business is under the Facebook umbrella and you'll be managing your app settings there. Once you're logged into Facebook Business, head over to your portfolio. Within this section, click on Account and then select Apps. In the Apps section, you'll click on Add and then proceed with Create a new app ID. This is where you'll start creating the necessary application elements. Enter your desired app name and click on Next. For the application setup type, select Other, as this will align with your integration task. Click Next after making your selection. Once you've done this, navigate to the Business option to ensure everything aligns with your business account, then click Next and proceed to create your app by hitting Create App. You will be prompted to enter your password as a security measure, then click on Submit to finalize this step. After creating your app, navigate to the Basics section and locate your app ID. Copy this app ID as you'll need it when you return to n8n. Now, back in n8n, paste this app ID to ensure the system recognizes your app. The next step is to reveal the app secret. In your Facebook developer settings, copy it and paste it into the client secret field back in n8n. It's essential to keep this information secure as it functions like a password for your app. Finally, once all the details are in place, click on Save in n8n to secure these settings and finalize the connection. You've now set up your WhatsApp business for workflow automation in n8n. With this connection, you can streamline communications and enhance your business operations efficiently.